Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by measuring precisely. Bust, waist, hips, and desired length, write them down. Once done, select mesh. Stretch for fitted, non-stretch for layered looks, and cut a basic pattern using those numbers. Make sure to stabilize edges with spray starch or lightweight interfacing where seams will sit. Pin the pattern to the mesh using fine pins. Cut slowly with sharp scissors to avoid runs. You're now ready to move into assembly and seam planning. You'll join panels next. Align and pin shoulder seams, then stitch with a stretch-friendly stitch. This preserves elasticity. Once shoulders are done, baste side seams and test fit on the body or form. This is why you added 1-2 cm ease. If fit is off, tweak seam lines now rather than later. Finish raw edges with a narrow zigzag or serger and apply stabilizing tape at armholes and neckline to prevent distortion. Make sure hems are even before final top stitching. You finish by hemming and adding closures. Fold a narrow hem twice or use a decorative lettuce edge for stretch mesh, then stitch with a stretch stitch. Once hems and neck are secured, insert any zippers or elastic and top stitch carefully to maintain stretch. If the mesh snags or runs, stop sewing immediately. Secure the damaged area with clear fabric glue or a small zigzag stitch starting a few millimeters before the run. Finally, steam lightly and inspect seams.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.